Now with the pie removed, we can see everything that's been done to it. So I used some old first gen Xmod springs, cut one in half, and use that to create the actual spring for the front end. Took a little while to get everything to fit inside of here with the micro servo I found while cleaning. And then the WPL wiring, or headlight kit. Then we move on to just a little micro WPL style ESC, soldered to the original RadioShack switch, and just cleaned up the antenna since it was all mangled up earlier. Then the cheap little Futaba receiver I just had sitting around with a mangled wire. Back here I used Tamiya, friction shock screw ends, and just used some random pin springs to create the back suspension. Overall, it's a little stiffer in the back than I prefer, but since this is going to someone who's used to tuning on the RCs, it should turn out pretty good. Or pretty easy for him to adjust anyways.